This is the Yacht Charter I have rented for sailing. As you can see, the lazy bag is totally destroyed. But this is not by chance. It is actually very incorrectly maintained. Now you see how it is fixed. And actually we were sailing and it got destroyed. And we had to go up there and replace this rope. We had to go to the mast to replace it, to have it working. But not only that, if you see in the spread, you see that there are supposed to be 2 screws, 2 bolts, and there is only 1, because they save in everything. And what you save, the money you save in land, you pay it twice in the sea. So that's a very serious security problem. Also the lazy bag, it is a problem, because as you can see it's hard to, the sail gets out of the lazy bag and gets a mess. Here is the bimini. This happened to us after sailing, because the bimini was not in good conditions. Actually it has some repairments here already. So we had to fix it, because they said they could not provide us another one unless we are in the base. But this is not just by chance that you see some screws missing. If you see underneath here, you will see that it is their philosophy to save screws. You can see here, it is a screw to hold. Here a hole, because they save a screw. Here there is a screw, but then you have a hole and another hole. So they are saving screws to hold this. And this is very important, because when you are sailing, you are holding to this, and this may fall off. And take a look at the other side. It is the same philosophy. Okay? Save money, save screws. Here you have a screw, hole, screw, hole. They just save money on screws. And this is not a joke, because this may fall off when you are sailing. And this is the philosophy you find in this Yacht Charter boat. They save money in everything, and the money you save in land, you pay it in the sea.